Imagine a future where there's an internet with no ping, a time where you could game online and not blame the lag for your lack of skill. We both know it won't stop you though, but luckily that is something a quantum internet can offer us, and so much more. Seems like something pulled straight out of science fiction, right? Well, it's real, and it's being developed right now. Thanks to the brilliant minds at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands, a team of physicists have taken a significant step towards the computer network of the future, using a technique called quantum teleportation to send data across 3 physical locations. To achieve this feat, the team built 3 of these quantum systems named Alice, Bob, and Charlie and connected them in a line with strands of optical fiber. The scientists could then entangle these systems by sending individual photons between them. Researchers began this process by entangling 1 electron from Alice and 1 electron from Bob. If done right, both electrons would be given the same spin and be entangled moving forward. Since they now share the same spin, that means they can store the same information, either a 1 or a 0. But the researchers took this one step further by applying the same exact quantum state to another electron inside Bob and then entangling it with an electron inside Charlie, meaning one system can communicate the same exact info with other 2, which is crazy to think about since there was never any communication between Alice or Charlie. This type of communication offers us 3 massive advantages over current standards. Latency-free internet, since information is instantaneously shared across any distance thanks to the entangled quantum states. Lossless connection, because there is no such thing as signal degradation with entangled electrons. And finally, 100% secured connection, simply because there is no signal to intercept. Sadly, there are some massive hurdles that do need to be overcome to be able to make quantum internet available to the mass public. Definitely the biggest one is scale, and nothing beats fiber right now when it comes to it. As a point of reference, not too long ago, Japanese researchers set the record for the fastest internet connection at 319 terabits a second using a special type of optical cable that has 4 fiber cores packed in the space of a mainstream fiber cable would have. And in case you haven't seen these cables, they're tiny. With speeds and size like this, there's nothing coming close right now to a fiber connection. Speaking of speed, fiber is no doubt the king as we just mentioned, and we don't even have a reference point for quantum internet yet. Sadly, I don't think we'll ever see something like this in our homes, at least within our lifetimes. But maybe once mankind reaches for the stars and expands our territory to other planets or solar systems, quantum internet will be around so we can communicate with each other in real time instead of being burdened by light speed. Until then, feel free to check out this video I made about TSMC's 1.4nm process since it's a piece of tech that we will see in the relatively near future. And I'll see you next time.